everyone, my dad is going to be fixing my Rubik's Cube.
You really want me to do that?
Yes.
Alright, so come behind me so that we can see properly. Choose your color.
Blue because that's my favorite color.
You love blue, huh? So let me mix it up a bit so that it doesn't look like we're cheating. Get rid of all, oops, they're all there. I need to get rid of them. Move away. So the first thing we need to do is to form a cross. And we're going to form a cross with the blue.
Yes.
So first line. Second. This is correct already. So we have to move this guy here. How do we do that? So here is our cross.
Yay!
Now we need to fix in this edges here.
Yes.
So this is the one I want to put somewhere here. Let me see what color it is. This is white and orange. So this is white and orange. So that means that needs to get here. So I'll move it closer. Need to fix it here. Just drop this guy. This guy's coming up. And we'll fix the first part. This is red and white. This is red and white. So red and white drops here. Same way, I drop it down, then lift it back up. Two more to go. They're all up here, so I have to bring them out. So this is orange and yellow. Orange and yellow gets here, so I'm moving out of the way. I drop that place down, and I lift this guy back up, so it's fixed. This guy needs to come down also. Oh, no. One. Where are you? So this is red and yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Red and yellow gets in here. Sorry. So the topmost part has been fixed.
Yay!
So we need to do the second level. Since the bottom part here is green,
Yes.
we need to look for this center pieces that don't have any green on them. So this is not eligible, but this is eligible because it has no green. So this is orange and yellow. This is orange, this is yellow. So this guy needs to come here. So I bring him down, and I move him right in place. Oops, this topmost guy is out, but I can fix that. So you can see our orange and yellow cube is here. The next one is, nope, this has green, so it's white and orange. So that means this white and orange dude needs to come in here. White and orange. I move the white and orange out of the way, and I move them like this. So I need to bring this two back where they belong, and you can see how white and orange is fixed. So we have two more to go. Two more to go, and the ones we need are here. So I need to bring him down. I need him out somewhere here so that I can put him here where he belongs, and I need to drop this one. So I'll do this. Do this. Make that move just to get him out. So our red and yellow is out. So I bring him here. Why? Because I want to put him here. So this dude has to leave. So this is red and yellow. This is red, yellow, so it needs to be here. So we do this exactly. And I move this, and see, red and yellow is here. And
Yes.
by doing that, I've removed the other one that needs to be somewhere else, which is white and red. So white and red needs to be here. same move. So we're done with the second level. So for the last level, it's a bit tricky. I need to turn the Rubik's Cube upside down. We started with blue, now it's green. So let's look at what shape do we have here. I need to form another cross here also. And I have a line already. So it even makes it easier for me. So let me form the cross. These are my moves. So I've already formed the cross that I need. So I need to see if I can align them with their respective colors. They are not so aligned. Sometimes it's a bit tricky to get so aligned. Okay, so we have them in opposite directions. So I need to do something. Let me try one other move. Let me see what it's gonna work. Drop. Okay, how I line good. This is how I like them to be aligned. So what I want to do now is I want to make sure the cross is also aligned with the side. So these two are aligned, but these two are not. So I need to get this to be yellow and this to be red. That means this has to come here and this has to come here. And I'll still make the same move. So, yep, see, it worked. So we have our cross and they're all aligned to the side. So next I need to do is I need to get this in the right square. So this has orange, green, and white, so it's on the wrong side. This has orange, there's no orange here, but there's yellow and there's green. This is on the right side because it has green, it has red, and it has white. This is not. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold it this way, since this is the correct one. I'll hold it here, and I'll do this. Sorry. And now so this is perfect. This is on the right side. This is on the right side. This is on the right side, and this is on the right side. So I've gotten everybody on the right side. So I'm about to do the last moves now to make sure the top is aligned.
Yes.
All right, so here we go. I need to do it again.
Wow. Thank
Piece
you.
of cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome.